Owed money by a QBCC licensee? You can use a Monies Owed complaint to notify the QBCC when a QBCC licensee has not paid money that is due and payable. A Monies Owed complaint can be used if the debt is between a QBCC contractor licensee and a contracted party or a supplier of goods and services, or an order has been made by an adjudicator, court or tribunal to a QBCC licensee to pay the debt and the due date for payment has passed. It is free to lodge a Monies Owed complaint, and it can be lodged at the same time as pursuing other payment dispute resolution options, including suspending work, adjudication, Queensland Civil and Administrative Tribunal, QCAT. To lodge a Monies Owed complaint, complete the online form and submit it to the QBCC with any supporting evidence. It's important to understand that a Monies Owed complaint will not settle the dispute and that the QBCC cannot make a party pay or determine who is right or wrong. It will alert the QBCC to possible payment offences or signal to the QBCC that a licensee has not met their minimum financial requirements, which may result in QBCC taking action against a licensee. To learn more about a Monies Owed complaint and if it's the best option for your situation, please see our website for more information.